is insert the given initial condition, and your initial condition here is this one. Okay, so insert. So you have this, so you just insert this one. So you have S, capital SS minus 1. Okay, this one is no longer S0. You already substitute S0 equal to 1. Okay, so minus 2SS equal to 4S. Okay, I repeat. So this, okay, I repeat again. This one is come from the initial condition. You can refer to the previous step 1. Here you have at 0. So at 0 you will replace with at 0, 1. Okay, so they have no longer at 0. Okay, for step number 2, you already insert or you will substitute the initial condition. Okay, step number 3 is rearrange the Fs. Okay, now it's not Fs, it's Ss. So we rearrange. So you can see that this is Xs, this is Xs, this is constant. So what we can do is you rearrange back the equation. So I will rearrange this equation. Okay, 4 over S here, and then this constant I will bring to the right hand side, it become plus 1. And then you can see this is the same as S, so why not? Or not why not? You must. Okay, you must to factorize your SS. And then you will get this. Okay, and then rearrange again, make it S as a subject. Okay, we want to make it X as a subject. So what we do is we need to bring this term to the right hand side. So basically you will get this term. Okay, I don't want to make it 2 layer like this. Okay, it looks like complicated, right? So it will become this. Okay, so your XS now is equal to this equation. And step number 4, what we need to do is we will find the inverse. Okay, inverse Laplace transform is given by Laplace transform inverse your SS. Okay, so means that you need to inverse all of this. Okay, so you need to find out the inverse of these two. So we break it one by one. So this is the first inverse that you need to find out. The second inverse is 1 over S minus 2. Okay, right? So step number 4 again, you need to find the inverse. So this is not the answer. This is not the final answer yet. You need to find the inverse. Okay, so they have 2 terms or 2 functions that you need to find the inverse. Okay, alright. Okay, I will continue the next page. Alright, okay, so now the first one. Okay, I do the second one first lah. So the second term is 1 over S minus 2. Okay, so what's the inverse for 1 over S minus 2? Clearly, I mean directly, you can use your table, you can get the answer is e power of 2t. Okay, e power of 2t. Okay, for the first term, okay, the inverse of 4 over S minus 2. How to answer this? Okay, clearly that you can see here have two function. Okay, the first one is 4 over S, and the second one is 1 over S minus 2. So what we should do to get the answer? Yes, you need to use the convolution theorem. Okay, you need to use convolution theorem. So the convolution theorem step is you need to determine, or you need to make to rewrite what is your Fs, what your GS. Okay, let's say lah your fs I choose 1 over s minus 2, my gs I choose 4 over s, and then you need to find your fu. So your fu here is, sorry, ft first. Okay, ft first. So your ft here is e2t, and what is your gt here? Your gt here is 4. Okay, next is find out your fu. So e2u, and then that is gt minus u is equal to 4. Okay, so the next step is 0t fu gt minus u, right? So it's equal to 0t. Your fu is e2u and your gt minus u is 4. So you just integrate and then you get the answer. Okay, get the answer. And don't forget, this answer is only for 1. Okay, so step number 5. The final answer is the answer that you get here. Okay, the answer that you get here plus with e to t. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, the final answer is xt. It's not xs anymore because you already find the inverse, right? So the answer is xt equal to the answer that you get after you do the inverse. Okay, so this is how the steps or ataupun the step to answer or to cater the question regarding initial value problem by using Laplace transform. Okay, alright. Okay, so I will show you another one example in the next video. Okay, and then I will continue with the last topic in the Laplace transform. Okay, alright.